everybody, Fantasticairy here, back with another video. In this week's video, I'm going to continue my adventures with painting trees, and in this particular video, we're going to be painting some tree bark texture. I've been having a lot of fun painting different kinds of tree barks and trees with the sketchbook page, and just kind of having fun with creating different textures of tree bark. Not really going for a realistic-y kind of look, but a believable, conceptual, stylized look as always. As you can see, I kind of just wet a patch for my composition, and I'm mixing in some browns, some Payne's gray, some yellows, kind of letting everything blend naturally with the wet on wet technique. And then I'm going to come in with my 01 liner brush before I was using my flat shader brush to create the textures. But now I'm going to come in with some stringy-like details. I thought I'd go for more of a cedar tree bark. They have a lot of stringy-looking features and lines that crawl up through the tree. I'm going to go in with this really nice saturated brown, kind of keeping things organic and kind of random, but also keeping in mind my composition. I still want it to look appealing. I really like the Payne's gray. It adds a bluish grayish color to the composition with the brown, and it really harmonizes very well. I'm going to come in with some darker brown, an umber kind of color, going over some of the existing lines I've already painted in, just to add some contrast and some more interesting features, keeping some lines thin and pushing down on my brush just slightly to thicken some of the lines. I'm going to let you guys enjoy the final reveal with some music, and I'll see you at the end for the end result. I had a lot of fun painting the texture bark of the trees, kind of coming up with different ways to use technique to create different shapes and colors that blend together to create the textures that I was seeing with my own eyes, interpreting it as I seen it in a very stylistic way. I think my favorites is the bottom right corner of this page, where I have that branch coming out, as well as the textured bark above it. The colors feel very expressive to me, and that's what I love about watercolor. You can really create a lot of expressive, stylistic moods, tones, textures, and shapes. I live in a more northern part of my country, so it's already getting close to winter where I live. The leaves have fallen, everything's turning brown, a lot of rain and a lot of snow on its way, so I'm trying to capture the melancholy mood of November. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe if you already haven't. It would be very appreciated, and of course, I always love all the comments below. Thank you so much. I read every single one of them. You can find me on the social medias and the links in the descriptions below, as well as my print shop, where you can purchase some of the artworks I've done thus far. Videos are every Friday, so I will see you guys next week with another video. I'm not sure just yet what I'm going to be painting for next week's video, something November themed. Again, thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you next week.